What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, everybody is talking about this coin, and in particular, what's coming in the future. Well, I'm going to break down for you why it's important that you know what is going on with Solana, whether that be the meme coins or the new phone that's about to come out. We've got it all for you in this video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that notification bell on. And with that being said, let's take a look at the overall market right now. So currently a 1.64 trillion as we enter a new week. Are we going to get further grayscale ETF sell-offs, or do we finally get a week where Bitcoin might have some room to breathe and start to push back up? We've been around 41.6 all weekend, but we're not here to talk about Bitcoin. We are here to talk about the latest craze, whether that be meme coins or utility coins or even hardware phones, and that is Solana. Currently $91.53, down about 1% on the day. Nothing too crazy. Volume around 871 million through the weekend. Given where we've got Bitcoin volume under 10 billion, it's not a bad place to be. So what is going on? Why is everyone super bullish on Solana? Well, there's a couple of key points, namely stable coin transfers. Now, this is important to reference. This is ultimately moving stable coins around the Solana ecosystem, and it actually surpassed $300 billion, which is absolutely insane. We get a representative of about 2,500% increase on the previous year. So this is people interacting with the chain, moving, stable coins, USDT, whatever it is, around the Solana ecosystem. You can kind of see here, this is a pictorial of where we get transferred volume. The green is Solana. You can see just how much that is increasing over the last 3 months. Fantastic to see, and I absolutely think this will build. Now, whether that's into more, staking platforms or liquid derivatives or whatever it is important to see as Solana continues to build out. And we've looked at this a few times before, but you take a look at what's going on in terms of their TVL lockup, and it's starting to build once again. $1.26 billion only a week ago. Now 1.369 gives you the absolute view of that staking as we get further airdrops, and equally some of the key facts down here. Radian, we even see things like Jupiter that have been trading aggressively with the excitement around Solana meme coins, and it does now put Solana as the 4th biggest blockchain out there. If you think about Arbitrum, it's only $1 billion behind Arbitrum, and it's pulling away from coins and chains that we would have expected to be very, very set in terms of this next bull market. So that absolutely is driving sentiment to Solana, and I think we're going to see a significant amount of change as it comes to that. Even just the revenue that's been generated on the chain is incredibly exciting. You can see there the stablecoin market cap continues to grow as well, over $2 billion right now with market caps on stablecoins. So again, holding on the Solana network. Why? I actually did a transfer early on. It was nearly $2,000, and it was a fraction of a cent to move that. That's why people are excited about Arbitrum. That's why you're seeing the meme coin craze absolutely go crazy. And people are also talking about the Solana phone. Why? One big piece. And if you're bullish on Solana phones, hit that like button. But look at this. This is interesting. The new Solana phone, 30,000 have already been sold in the pre-sale. But this is a very, very exciting point. The community crypto embraced D-App Store and more. Perhaps one of the most exciting features of the crypto community is the dedicated D-App Store. This store will meet the growing demand for decentralized applications, placing Solana Mobile at the forefront of bridging mainstream mobile technology with decentralized finance and the app world. Absolutely insane that that's going to have integrated potential to swap tokens and trade on decentralized finance. I think it's a massive win, particularly when you are looking at the excitement on Solana. You're even looking into things like meme coins, utility coins. All the new ones seem to be launching on Solana, and you're going to be able to do it at the palm of your hand with your phone. Now, people will say, well, hold on to a bit, we can do that anyway. But if you've got a dedicated phone that is absolutely built by the people you're then interacting with the chain, that has to be good news. That has to be a fantastic development, and not one that I'm aware of right now. And I think that's a very, very good news. So what have we got going on with the price of Solana? Well, we're just down a little bit. Interesting though, holding on to this channel that we drew not too long ago on the daily. Again, trading in this. We are below the 200 moving average though, which is important to reference, and our MACD signal is looking slightly bearish. So expect a little bit of a push down on Solana unless we get the market sentiment to move. But in the macro, the long term, you start to look in the weeks and the months when it comes to Solana, very, very bullish. And I think we're going to see furthermore. Now, just touching on that 1 hour at the 86.05 range, looking for a bounce. So I think there's some positive movement coming. This week's going to be interesting. We have that FTX case as well as much more. But I think we are set for a big Bitcoin move, as well as Solana and the alts. Again, you can see the total market cap of alts on the monthly looking very bullish over that MACD. And if you go into the daily, once again, we are holding on that 200. So everything is looking like it could break out. We just need Grayscale to not sell $500 million worth of Bitcoin tomorrow morning when the market's open. But we'll see how that plays out. But if you're bullish on Solana, drop a comment down below. What is your favorite Solana meme coin or utility coin? I'm always interested to know what you guys think. And as ever, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe for daily cryptocurrency content like this, and check out the links in the description. You want to get yourself a fantastic exchange, all these indicators that I use, or much more. They're all down there in the description. And as ever, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.